Say you're starting a new building project. Well, you're going to need the right tools to get the job done. A cordless drill is probably the most essential tool in your garage, followed by maybe a saw. You can get a lot done with just these two tools, but as your skills and your needs grow, you'll need more tools. And whether you're a DIYer, a neighborhood handyman, or a full-on general contractor, you know that everything just works better when it's on the same platform. This is exactly how Solidworks can grow with you as your need for product development capabilities expand, all while running on the same powerful 3D experience platform, ensuring all your tools are seamlessly connected. So which Solidworks is for you? Solidworks Standard is the essential toolkit, the cordless drill of the CAD world. Perfect for part modeling, assemblies, and 2D drawings. It gives you all the fundamental functionality to bring your designs to life. Plus, it includes powerful features like sheet metal design, weldments, mold tools, and bi-directional collaboration on PCB designs, all standard. Equipped with best-in-class CAD translators, migrating from other CAD systems is painless, ensuring a smooth transition. In manufacturing, we have you covered with full 2.5 and 3-axis milling right out of the box. And when connected to the 3D Experience platform, your files and designs are always accessible, right from the cloud. Integration with the 3D Experience platform gives you and your team enhanced collaboration tools like revision control, lifecycle management, and browser-based viewing, keeping your projects moving forward efficiently. Next, we step up to SolidWorks Professional, when you need to do more than just CAD. Just like adding more power tools to your kit, you'll step up to photorealistic rendering and create billboard-quality images and immersive video right from your CAD designs. It also brings useful additions like a complete hardware library and powerful design for manufacturing tools to analyze tolerance stackup, estimate manufacturing costs, and check design documentation to ensure you're adhering to company standards and maintaining design consistency. SolidWorks Premium takes your capabilities to the next level with tools designed for engineering specialists. Predict real-world performance of your designs using FEA simulation to understand stress, deflection, and factor of safety before prototyping or bench testing. Simulate rigid body dynamic motion to verify physical interactions, solve for motor sizing, determine reaction forces, and review automation cycling. Develop flat patterns for complex sheet metal stampings. Design complex routed systems consisting of piping, tubing, and electrical wiring. A powerful set of purpose-built CAD tools that ensure your assemblies are built to spec with the flexibility to update as your designs change. And finally, there's SolidWorks Ultimate, the comprehensive toolkit for the power user who touches every aspect of product development. Extending from SolidWorks Premium, SolidWorks Ultimate includes an advanced subdivisional surface modeling environment that allows you to produce highly organic, curvy shapes by simply pushing and pulling on your geometry. Visual interactive planning tools like Gantt and Kanban chart creation for end-to-end product management and task oversight. Manage and control your entire product's architecture to minimize costs and navigate product development complexities. Conceptualize and release entire product structures. And go beyond CAD to repurpose your designs into marketing content and product illustration. With SolidWorks Ultimate, your entire product development cycle, from concept to manufacturing, is fully connected, ensuring seamless teamwork and unparalleled efficiency. Which SolidWorks is for you? Whether it's core CAD capabilities or an end-to-end product development solution, SolidWorks has the right set of tools, and they work together seamlessly on the 3D Experience platform, just like your favorite power tools sharing the same battery. No matter which SolidWorks you choose, your team is always connected, empowering you to build, innovate, and collaborate like never before.